Welcome to Counting with the Boogiebug. That's me.
What do you do on a rainy day? Do you cuddle up with your friends? I know some little birds who do just that. Listen.
One little bird in the rainy weather, hoping that the sun will come. But here is his friend, so they cuddle up together. Two little birds, and not just one.
1, 2.
Two little birds in the rainy weather, wondering what to do. Here comes their friend, so they cuddle up together. Three little birds, and not just two.
1, 2, 3.
Three little birds in the rainy weather, sitting on the branch of a tree. Along comes their friend, so they cuddle up together. Four little birds, and not just three.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Four little birds in the rainy weather, getting very wet today. Then out comes the sun, and they cry together, hip, hip, hip hooray, and they fly away.
It looks a bit like rain here. I think I'll hop into my nest to keep dry. See you soon.